Hey, welcome back. I can't take more agony and sacrifice myself and give it to General Tokizia when our Pepsi Cup is in the race with shiny setup and paperwork in Metro Showtime, and he has to come back in his office, and Mohsen Naqvi has to retire with his 9,000 matches. I will tell my audience right now that these PCB individuals and their 9,000 matches, 10,000, 15,000 matches, they take 200 and 250 rupees from little children before matches, and then they organize it. That is how cheap they are. General Tawqir Zia wasn't like this. He had sponsorship behind those matches. Talent hunt. So decide very sharply, like me and him, and then give the seat to someone like General Tawqir Zia himself. I am waiting for him to come back so I go and work with him in Pepsi Cup. Yeah. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in a while, maybe in few days. Yeah, Allah Hafiz.